Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. I am opening so many positions here. You know that I am using the boom and crash. First time the phone indicator spike detector is giving arrow for downtrend. So the spike will comes. I am opening so many sales with very confidently because I know that the arrow is giving 101% signal for down trend. This is the non-repent indicator is giving the fixed arrow to catch the spike to giving entry and exit. Guys, I am waiting for the catch a spike. Here I have opened so many positions. Here you are watching, we hold for catch a spike the live. I will catch a spike. Guys, watch this. You can make money too with this indicator every day. 100 to $200 you can make money every day. Guys, you see that the trades are running here. Let's see what happened. Let's open some more trades and down position. The indicator will give 101% spike. This is my challenge. This is the one indicator is working on phone. I have full information that how to install this indicator in our mobile phone MT5 to using catching spikes. You don't need any laptop or computer or any VPS. This works directly install in your MT5. This is the first time in 2024 this works in phone. Guys, the first indicator I have got here. You will see the amazing spike. As I said, the 101% the market will give a spike, the catch spike, and the indicator is giving exit. So we have to close all trades in our profit. Guys, you see the entry and exit, the giving this one of the most indicator signal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Join channel in description.